how you wanna play it. Hope you know that I can play too. Swerving lanes, sipping Grey Goose.
Good morning. So I just got off the elevator. I'm heading to the gym. Don't mind me if I look a little crazy. This video is extremely impromptu. And I just decided to take y'all to the gym with me. Walking through my complex. I look tired as shit. But I actually got some decent rest last night. Usually I don't sleep many hours, but it's cool. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Trying to have a real positive and productive day. And usually those days start with the gym, only because once I go to the gym and have a really good workout in the morning, I'm almost guaranteed to have energy for, I want to say, like all day, like almost 15 hours for the day, and everything is phenomenal that way. All right, so I'm going to show you what my workout routine is in just a bit. So I usually start or end my workout with some form of cardio. It just depends on how I'm feeling for the day. Today it is the elliptical. This is the elliptical I'm using, the arms move. But look, I'm gonna pause my workout because I am trying to record. I'm doing a leg sculpting course today because I think my legs need some TLC. A mile is the minimum that I will ever do as far as cardio when it comes to a machine. Right now I'm at 0.7 and I'm feeling good today, so I'm probably going to do, let's say 1.5 miles, but we'll see when I get there. But 1.5 miles is the goal. This is what the workout looks like. This is the incline and speed that I'm on. And I'm gonna stop recording only because it's making me go a little slower and I'm not working to the best of my ability. All right.
Swerving lanes, sipping Grey Goose. Not easy to intimidate and be high for 4 years and my team just been waiting. Quick before feelings get faded, my relationships feeling outdated. You hate now, the best time to say it. Wanna do. I've been crushing on you. Take the passenger side. I've been fucking with my crew. What you wanna do. Yeah, but they wish you would lose. Said their egos is bruised. They can't walk in my shoes. Trey AIJ for the other side. No, we don't give daps cause they don't show love. They fucking with those guys. My team looking strong, my commas is up. I think I might catch a flight.
A little over halfway, well not a little, a lot over halfway completed. I'll let you guys know how much I'm doing.
Everywhere I go, my city on my back. Scum to the gang, I put that on the map. Pull up deep, you know my dogs is on the tag. When you fucking.
So I'm about to end this. Let's do it. And these are my specs for my workout today. I was making some calls that I had to do. So I went a little extra, even though I said I was only gonna do 1.5 miles. So now it's just time for me to do, I don't know, work on my booty a little bit, my abs.
I just need some motivation. Best believe I ain't never forget. Motherfuckers thought they leave me in the hood or some shit like that. I just need some motivation. My nigga getting patient. But I'll take my niggas with me. Told them don't fuck around and let me in that shit. Scum ain't gonna take over. Yeah.
You don't murder that
I just need some motivation. All my niggas, they been patient. See the money, we can taste it. All I know is dedication. All I know is dedication. Yeah. All I know is dedication. I just need some motivation. All I know. Yeah. Flip the pack, make some racks. Yeah. Then I put it all back. I've been chasing the Neros and Washington, now I don't know how to act. I just need some motivation. Too many niggas, they been hating. Don't wanna hear no explanation. No we don't want no relations. I got your bitch in a hot box. No, she don't want ventilation. I put your hoe in a leg lock. Now she checking my location. Fuck, I hate a bitch in a tank top. She a legend, I treat her like my name Brock. Never come find the shit like my main thigh. Stick around, even thuggin' when the thing hot. I just need some motivation. I just need all my niggas, they been patient. See the money, we can taste it. All I know is dedication. All I know is dedication. Yeah. All I know is dedication. Yeah. I just need some motivation. All I know. They can't fuck with me, that's all I know. Niggas too fast like some dominoes. You can't come up if you never been down before. Need my niggas since I go for. But then the days chucking old boy. Getting money feel like dope boy. Making money call me Maserati Mitch. Told my niggas hit the gym and work at this. Pops to be proud of y'all niggas, keep working hard. Always remain on the humble, you get what you want and just keep that faith close to God. Pops to be proud of y'all, keep working hard. Always remain on the humble, you get what you want and just keep that faith close to God. Still got your bitch in a hot box. No, she don't want ventilation. Keeping these hoes in a leg lock. Now she checking my location. No, she don't want ventilation. Now she checking my location. Don't want no say no rotation. Just wanna work no vacation. I just need motivation. I just need some motivation. I just need. All my niggas, they been patient. See the money, we can taste it. All I know is dedication. All I know is dedication. Yeah. All I know is dedication. Yeah. I just need some motivation. All I know. Need you to play this song. All alone. Need you to play this song. All alone. When you 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 all alone. All alone. Don't know if you know me, but I know you. Your homegirls talk about me, but it ain't true. Always been sweating, you hit you on snap, make you laugh. Whole time I'm thinking about busting that. Whole time I'm thinking about eating that. Or hitting that shit from the back while you look at me. Told you I'm all that you searching for. Be nice to the boy, I won't do you wrong. I don't remember ever crushing so hard. I don't remember ever lusting so long. I can't believe it was you all along. I can't believe it was you all along. Need you to play this song. All alone. All alone. Need you to play this song. All alone. When you all alone. When you all alone. Don't know if you know me, but I know you. When you all alone. When you all alone. When you all alone. All alone. I sing this song though my voice is raspy, but I'll be stupid if I let you pass me. I'll be dumb if you ain't the one, but you go crazy when I make you. I'm talking nasty and I hope you notice. I bought the 60X afford the Focus. Talking lift, I'm talking fully loaded. Talking shit and look, I barely noticed. Yeah. And I'm so caught up on you, yeah. I can't wait to get you, yeah. All alone with you, yeah. Turn off your phone. Need you to play this song. All alone. Need you to play this song. All alone. When you all alone. When you all alone. When you all alone. All alone. We all alone. all along, 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 all along.
Alright, so my morning workout is complete. It's time to go get my day started. I'm gonna just drink some water, even though I did drink my hot water with my my lime before I came here. I don't sweat much, so if you're wondering why do I look like this, I don't sweat a lot. And if I do, it's probably my back. It's definitely not gonna be my face. So I don't really look like I just had a very intense workout. It wasn't super intense, to be honest. So it doesn't look like I just worked out at all, but I was struggling a little bit towards the end, and I definitely feel refreshed, and it's time to go get my day started. I hope you do the same. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.